One of the puzzles in zoology is that animals need to sleep. And this is not just old guys like me that like to take naps or cats that sleep all the time. Animals need to sleep. This includes whales and sharks and fish and jellyfish. And people that study earthworms realize that the earthworms sleep, insects sleep. Animals need to sleep. An obvious response to this would be, well, the earth spins relative to the sun. The sun goes up, the sun comes down. It's nighttime. I mean, what else are we going to do? We got to wait till the sun comes back up. But the specifics of our rhythms, of course, have everything to do with the spinning of the earth. But the fact that we need to sleep doesn't have anything to do with that. If you take two groups of animals, say as an experiment, one of the groups of animals you deprive of food, the other group you deprive of sleep. After a while, the group that's been deprived of sleep, those animals will all be dead. And at the same time, the animals that have been deprived of food will be upset. They'll be mad because they haven't been fed in a long time. The argument would be that the need for sleep is greater than the need for food. Let's look at a sprinter. Let's pick a quarter mile. A runner runs a quarter mile track. At the end of the quarter mile track, the runner is tired. The runner's muscles are overcome with lactic acid. There's glyoxyls, peroxides. The free radicals are completely out of control. The runner stops. The antioxidant systems, the glutathione system, the vitamins all go to work to clean up the metabolic garbage in the body. This would be the whole body of the runner. A trained athlete is ready to run again in I would say less than an hour, but maybe even less than 15 minutes. Runners are not a normal group of people, but resting muscles can recover. Let's take a look at the brain. The brain it's not a very big part of our bodies. Looking at it, it doesn't appear to do very much. They tell us that a resting person, for example, a person reading a book, 30% of the oxygen consumption, 30% of the respiration is in the brain. So the brain is a big energy consumption machine, and it produces a lot of free radicals, and it produces a lot of peroxides, and it produces a lot of glyoxyls, and they produce lactic acid. There's a lot of stuff that goes on in the brain. And in order for the brain to rest such that the antioxidant systems can catch up, the glutathione systems can catch up, and the vitamins can go to work cleaning up the brain, the only way for the brain to rest is for the organism to sleep.